When I thought I couldn't outdo myself, no matter what the situation is, I always seem to find a way to make it go. Just changes 7 colors. Just no more Big Bird yellow. I already got the leather. I'm gonna rewrap that. I got the pipe. I don't know if you can see it, but all of that was taken off and done. You know, ain't the prettiest body, but it's all there. That thing shifting. Gonna take her out for sale. 4 grand. Quiet as a mouse. I mean, she lobing. Interior clean. Oh, it gets better. You can eat off my engine bay. Go buy that car dealership when that probably been wrecked. You go right ahead. Buy here, pay here, whatever it is. All right, let me get in here. Eat off of it. Brand new alternator belt. Timing's been done. Fluids all changed. Should run good. 6 grand. Holla at me.